Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 263 ugly number. So ugly number can be defined as the positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3 and 5. If the number has 2, 3 and 5 prime factor, then you just have to return the true, means that it is an ugly number. Okay, and for example, there is a 2. It has a prime factor 3 and 2, so it is an ugly number. You have to return the true. And 1 is not a prime number, so you just have to return the true. 14 has a prime factor 7, 2, so this is not a prime factor. This is not an ugly number, so you just have to return the false. So let's do this. While n is greater than 1, you have to do until it become a 1. You have to check if n modulo 2 is equals to 0. Then you just have to do n by equals to 2. Okay, else if n modulo 3 is equals to 0, then you just have to do n by equals to 3. In the same way, you just have to do else if n modulo 5 equals to 0, then n by 5 n by equals to 5. Else I just have to return false. Okay, then I check if n equals to 1, then I just have to return the true, else I will return the false. Okay, let's run this code. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.